Hi everybody, welcome to the RemedyForce demo. I have just logged in into the RemedyForce application and I've opened the dashboard. So this is how my dashboard looks like when I log into the RemedyForce application. So I have opened three quick views over here. One in a tabular format, which is the My Incidents. One is in the calendar format, which is My Tasks. And one is in the graphical format, which is My Changes. So here this is a bar chart, but I can have pie charts as well. When I'm configuring my quizzes, I can decide what kind of graph I want to see on my dashboard. So I'm going to cover incident management, problem management, change management, and chatter during this demo. So let me just open the incident from the incident management workspace. So these are the available incidents that I have on my org. Let me go and create a new incident. So this is how the new incident form looks like. So let me just fill up the required information. So this is the required information, client and category that is required to save the incident. I'll put in a description. And I can save this incident. So my incident has got saved. Here in the details section, I can have the incident details with impact, urgency, priority, the open date, the due date. I can have client details. I can have the configuration item details. I can have the chatter feed on the incident form. So from this incident chatter feed, I can follow and unfollow an incident. Now since this is the incident that I have logged, I am automatically able to follow this incident, but I can unfollow this incident by clicking on this unfollow link. And I can see the comments entered by other users in this tab. I can have broadcast details where I can link a particular broadcast to this incident. And the staff assignment details, the details of the staff to which this incident is assigned, and the custom fields. Here in the supporting information, I can see history, where I can see the auditing the user history for this incident. Then there are tasks where I can add a task to this incident. There's a change tab where I can add changes to this incident. There's the documentation tab where I can add documents in the form of attachments or URLs to this incident. And there's this auditing tab which will have the system information of this incident, like when the incident was opened, when it was closed, and stuff like that, and similar. So this is all about incident. Let me move to problems. So this is the problem list. These are the available problems that I currently have. So let me open a new problem. I can mention a problem source. So the problem source can be client, event trigger, incident, or a staff. So let me select an incident. And I again put the category as hardware. And I put the description, the same description that we had for the incident. And I can save this problem. So here again, as we saw on the incident, problem has similar details So the details section will have status, impact, urgency, priority. The broadcast details will again have a link to link broadcast, and the staff assignment details will have the details of the staff to which this problem is assigned. Again, coming back to the supporting information section. So here I can have the history, which is the user history, and then the incident. So basically I can now add the incident which we had created earlier, which was VPN not working for upgraded IE. So it's similar, which is the number 106. So if similar people are facing users are facing similar issues, then we can create a problem linking similar incidents. So here I can just go and link that incident. So here, so the number was 106. So I'll just link that incident over here. Similarly, I can link changes. I can have configuration items, tasks, and documentation and auditing. Now, when I go and close this problem, so there's an option of closing associated incidents. So if I'm going to close this problem, the linked incidents will also get closed. So right now I'm not going to close this incident. So this is all about problem. Let me move to change request. So again, this is the change request that I currently have, and so let me take the similar example that we had for problems and incidents. So for example, the problem and incidents that we created right now requires a change in the system. So we'll create a change request for that problem. So as you can see, because this change request was initiated by the administrator or the person who has logged in, the initiator has automatically been entered over here with the last name and first name. I'll just enter the category again, and I'll put a description like maybe VPN issue, the same that we had for problem. And the reason for change is to resolve the VPN issue, and maybe the description is to upgrade VPN software. So I save this change request. So here I can have the change type as normal, emergency and standard, and the change category as major, minor, significant. I'll keep them unchanged for now. As we saw for problem and incident, change request will have its own details about impact, urgency, priority. The staff assignment details will have the information about the assigned staff. Again, as we saw for incidents, the change request will have its own character field where I can follow, unfollow the change request, and we have the custom fields. So here, moving to supporting information, again we have the history, problems. So here, since we are creating this change request for the particular problem, I can link that problem over here. So this was my issue, VPN not working for upgraded IE. So I'll just link that problem to this change request. Similarly, I can have configuration items associated. Then I can have assessment. So I can submit this change request for assessment, so that the assessor, the approved assessor, can assess this change request. And then after the assessment is done, I can submit this change request for approval, where the approval board will approve this change request. So I can set my own approval process using the platform, which is part of the Salesforce standard platform. So again, there's documentation, task, incidents, and auditing tab, which is similar to problem and incident. So this is all about change request. I'll move to chatter field. So we have already seen how chatter works on incident and change request, where I can follow, unfollow a particular incident or problem. So this is the chatter feed. As you can see, I can see all the chatter about the related incidents and change requests. So this is all in the demo. Thanks. So we have seen the workspaces. We have seen a catalog where I can add out of the box quick views to my dashboard. I can create my own quick views. And this is the configuration section where the administrator, mostly applicable for the administrator, where he can configure some of the categories, the impacts, the priorities as per his requirement, as per the business requirement. And then this is the main working area, and then we have the portlet section on the right, which has action items, broadcast, chatter group, search, and all of this is customizable through the sidebar item configuration window. So that's it at a high level.